Look, bottlebrush trees I planted a few years ago. Aren't they wonderful in the sunlight? Great for honey-eating birds and tiny marsupials. There are tiny little marsupials that get the honey too. God, they're beautiful. Oh, like a real bottlebrush. Look at that. It's like a bottlebrush. Here's another of my bottlebrushes. They're very worthwhile. They're bird food. They're planted especially not just for their beauty but for the birds as well, for hungry Australian native birds. Isn't it fantastic? Someone's not going to go hungry. These birds aren't going to go hungry, are they? They're not. Birds have rights too. Human beings aren't the only ones that have rights. I guess it would be what they call speciesism. Yes, I've read that word on the internet lately, on some Ishmael websites. I've read the word speciesism. I guess that's when you discriminate against one species and just think in favour only of your own species. That's pretty selfish, isn't it? It's pretty selfish if you think about it. Oh, look at them in their glory, their full glory. Fabulous. Look at them close up, just moving in the breeze. So lovely. Oh, I'm going to get knocked over in a minute by the wind. They're just waiting for birds and marsupials to come. Tiny marsupials to get their honey. What a pity we don't have hummingbirds in Australia. I've never seen one. Wouldn't it be nice? Still, we've got lots of beautiful native birds that eat honey. Here I am in my green tunnel. Yes. If I look up through the roof of the tunnel, look what I see way up high. There they are. More bottle brushes. Bottle brushes way up high for all the, the noisy firebirds have been there today. They make a lot of noise, but they love all that beautiful free nectar. They do. This bottlebrush is particularly nice in that it's mauve-ish. Makes a change from the red ones. See why they're called a bottlebrush. Beautiful Australian native flower, full of nectar. The birds are certainly happy about it. You could clean a bottle with that, couldn't you? You could. Yes, there's a couple more over here. There they are. Where are they? I can't find them. Oh, there they are. Aren't they beautiful? Gorgeous mauve ones.